Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I went to go fix the bumper of the Forester that has broken mounts and found something very interesting. So apparently before I took ownership of this car, someone wrecked it. And let me tell you, I was absolutely pleased to find that, because that means that now I have to fix it. So enjoy this montage of me trying to hammer that out. So as you guys can tell, it's kind of working a little bit. I'm gonna get a board, see if I can't hammer some of that straight and get it looking a little bit better. back to bumper fixing. Alright, so it's been a couple days. We got hit with a bunch of rain, a bunch of storms, but we went ahead and put the bumper back on, got it all cut. Looks really good. It's nowhere near perfect. I've got a little bit of things I need to do. Probably make a separate video on that, but we're going to start by getting rid of the bumper support and relocating that exhaust to be higher up. First thing I'm going to do is going to start with a nice little startup and rev. So we got it off. I gotta say that exhaust needs to be moved, and I think that's gonna look a lot better already. I did leave the factory mountings here and here. Each of those are held in to that bracket with 4 12mm bolts. All you need is a 12 mil, and you can pull it right off. Go ahead and remove that. Try to get this loosened up so I can rotate it, and yeah. so it's mounted. Might not be the prettiest. I might have to go back and clean it up a little bit, but it's in there. It looks a lot better than it did. Tucked up in there. Stand back away from the car. It looks really good. I'm gonna go start it up, check for any leaks, and if there's no exhaust leaks, I'm gonna go ahead and go try to get a downturned tip to put on it. And it's done. Okay, so it's currently running. It does sound like there's a slight exhaust leak, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull that exhaust clamp off and fix it in a not very appreciated way, aka red RTV, and put it all back together, and it should be perfectly fine. Alright, so that was a pain in the behind. Everything's done. It looks 1,000 times better than it did with the exhaust actually higher.
This is actually probably one of the first times it's actually properly mounted. It does have a little bit of rub in here on a heat shield. I'll have to fix that. And it does have a slight exhaust leak. I'll have to fix that another day. I don't have the time right now. I gotta do a class. But
as far as today goes, I think that I can claim that as a success. If anyone has any idea what I should do with the crash bar in the future with building a metal bumper for the back of the car, let me know. But anyways, I think that's going to be it for today's video. So I'll see you guys next time.